Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So today our topic is e-commerce business. How to earn money online from e-commerce. E-commerce is a method of buying and selling goods and services online. E-commerce business can also include tactics like affiliate marketing. You can use e-commerce channels such as your own website or an established selling website like Amazon or social media to drive online sales. Like an e-commerce is any website, any site that allows you to buy and sell products and services online. Companies like Amazon and Alibaba are examples of e-commerce website. So first we have Amazon. So Amazon is the most using website of e-commerce business. First, Amazon.com is an online retailer and web service provider. The company provides products such as an apparel, auto and industrial items, beauty and health products, electronics, grocery, games, jewelry, kids and baby products, music, sports goods, toys, and tools. In the Amazon App Store, you can access, browse, purchase, and download software games, applications, and other digital products. Alibaba is the second most used website for e-commerce business. Alibaba is China's and by some measure the world's biggest online commerce. Have hundreds of millions of users and host millions of merchants and businesses. Alibaba handles more businesses than any other e-commerce company. Alibaba.com app is a leading wholesale mobile marketplace for global trade. Buy products from suppliers around the world, all from the convenience of your mobile device. Jack Ma is the founder of this tech giant Alibaba app. Number third is OLX. The OLX marketplace is a platform for buying and selling services and goods such as electronics, fashion items, furniture, households, goods, cars, and automobiles. Also, we can purchase mobile phone there. This app is also popular and get 10 million plus downloads. There is nothing that we can't purchase on e-commerce or online store. OLX is a Dutch domiciled online marketplace headquarters in Amsterdam. The OLX consumer brand originated as online exchange in 2006. We can purchase antiques, chairs, bedroom set, everything at here. Okay, now the third we have Daraz, a world with endless possibilities. Daraz.pk, the pioneering and leading e-commerce platform in Pakistan, started in 2012 as an online fashion retailer and evolved into a general marketplace for brands selling items ranging and electronics to home appliances to fashion. We can also purchase cell phones, AirPods, everything here. Not only in Pakistan, but Daraz is the leading online marketplace across Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Nepal also.